our dual sliding glass door refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 53 inches, a depth of 30 inches, and the overall height with caster wheels, we have 83 inches tall. Please note that the left and right glass doors are not automatic shut. However, it will stay in a fixed position, and with a slight push, it will go back onto its track. Included on the left and right compartment are 4 adjustable shelves. Each shelf will measure 24 inches in depth. Measurements for the entire shelf in one continuous row will include 50 inches. Each shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference, and included will be 4 bin tag holders on each side. Each bin tag holder will hold stickers and price tags for the merchandise that you are displaying. And the overall height of 52 inches to the top of the track. Coming to the front, left, and right column will be an LED strip. So with the light switch on, your products will be on display with the LED lights turned on. Coming to the very bottom center is the drain with cap. Located on the lower front will be the power and light switch, along with the Dixel controller to run and operate this refrigerator. Located on the left column will be the ETL certification, along with the technical specifications for this dual glass door cooler. And coming to the back will be the 110-120 voltage plug that this refrigerator uses. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.